now let's understand the second exception. So no alert present exception. This will happen whenever the alert is not available. So suppose you are looking for some exception alert. So you are doing driver dot switch to dot alert. That is the way you are handling the alert. But whatever alert is expected, it's not coming up on the web page. Maybe some issue is there in the application and alert is not coming. At that time, you are trying to switch to the alert, but there is no alert available on the web page. At that time, this exception will happen. So what I will do, I will be copying these lines of code and I'll be creating a new class here. No alert present exception demo. Select the main method, click on finish. So here initially let's take the 4 lines of code and if we execute this, the browser will be launched and it will be in the maximum mode. The Academy website will be launched. So right now it is working and on this web page we don't have any alerts currently. In case I am trying to do like driver dot switch to dot alert. So what happens whenever an alert is there, the alert will get closed here. So I'm trying to first of all switch to the alert, and after switching, I will be accepting or dismiss. So here dot accept or dot dismiss methods are there. After switching to alert, accept or dismiss I can do. So dot accept or dot dismiss. So in case the alert itself not there, right? What happens? So let me think like I'm putting accept here, but switching to the alert itself not possible because there is no alert on the web page. So if I execute this line of code, no alert present exception will be thrown. So you can go back and check no alert present exception, no such alert is available. So this is the exception that will get thrown whenever there is no alert. So that may be a problem with the web page. You are expecting an alert, but it is not there. That is a problem, and that message will be coming into your console logs, and also you can put it into your reports also. And the test failure you can able to debug like that. So this is one exception. Maybe the alerts were not available because of some changes or some issues are there. Maybe a bug also sometimes.